Hey, what's up guys? It's Eric again. So today we have another mod for my own personal car. One side of my Angel Eyes went out. So I decided to get the LUX Angel Eyes because on forums, everyone seems to rave about it. And when I look on Amazon, all the reviews for the other Angel Eyes bulbs aren't very good. They say they burn out in a couple months. So I decided to just spend a little bit more, hopefully last a little bit longer. So these are the newest ones, the 189s. These are the ones that are just the white light. It's not like the other one. They have another version where you can actually change the light temperature so you can look yellow or white. I just wanted the white because I think it looks more modern. So I'm gonna do a unboxing real quick. And then also the Angel Eyes currently in my car are white too, but I don't know what brand they are. Once we're installing it, I'll take it out, do a comparison and see the old light versus the new light and kind of see the brightness difference because these are supposed to be the brightest on the market. And we're gonna see if that's true or not. Alright, and I'm gonna open it real quick. Oh yeah, I also bought these on Amazon. I know LUX sells them on their own website, but I figured Amazon's the quickest, so I ordered it on Amazon. If you guys want the link, I'll link it below. And yeah, 2-day shipping. Or maybe it came 1 day actually. So opening it up, the outside packaging's kind of whatever is. So padding, and then there it is. So as it says, the brightest LED Angel Eyes, 100% plug and play, easy to install, no dimming. So I guess it's just 2 business cards, and that's what it looks like in the packaging. Pretty simple. Just the bulb and the ballast. Quality wise, let me check it out real quick. Oh yeah, it's like metal. Overall the quality looks pretty good. It has some weight to it, and then they sealed the top off with glass. The glass looks kind of tilted, but it's not a big deal. Awesome. Now we're gonna go try these out. So we're gonna go install it right now. Alright guys, so this is funny. After I opened it, the past owner actually has the LUX Angel Eyes inside installed. But this is the version 3, so I think this is quite a bit old. I think version 3 is old, I'm not sure, but that's funny. So I had these. So let's see how the V3 compares to the newer one now. Alright guys, so the V3, as you see, there's only 1 LED per column. This one is double, and the size comparison is pretty crazy. Like, I would say it's what, like maybe double at least the size of the LEDs. And the base is a little bit different. But yeah, crazy comparison. So these should be much brighter. Just look at the LEDs and the amount of LEDs on them. Alright, now to install them. So actually, the old ones are kind of pretty bright. But these ones, you can notice that they are brighter. It fills the ring a little bit more and it's brighter. But it could be because of the age too. Oh yeah, now after seeing it, this one is definitely brighter. This one is definitely brighter after you look at the comparison. And also my girlfriend helped me put in the bulb because it's pretty difficult because the area is pretty small. But it took us, I think, less than 5 minutes to screw back in. So as normal, the E92s, the outer ring is not as bright. But yeah, definitely brighter. So far I recommend it. So how to install, quick tutorial. There are 2 clips right here. So you just get a flathead and then you pop up each side. So that you see that side's up, and you just do the other side. And it'll come up and you just release the cap. Alright, and then you gotta unclip the plug, which is just 2 sides. You just kind of lift it up a little bit and you unplug it and it comes out. So this part you just twist. It's gonna be to the left, because that's what we did for the other side, to the left, right? So I turned to the left, so this way, and then you just kind of let it drop in. You're gonna fish it out. This one's kind of got tangled. The ballast is at the bottom.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there you go. That was easy. So ours, that was a little hard because the ballast was under. The other one was on top. It kind of got stuck. Okay. So the trick with this is the bulb. You want to push it in, the butt facing inwards like the way it sits, but put it in first. So we'll show you with this one.
Put this down first.
Yes.
We did it this way.
Yeah. So yeah, stick it backwards first, and then that way you just slide it in. Yeah, on camera it's hard to tell, but after we finished installing, it seems way brighter than before now that we see both at the same time. Alright guys, so now that we finished installing, they do seem brighter than when I last had it. I'm not sure if LEDs are like HIDs where over time they kind of, you know, fade and aren't as bright anymore. But after it's done, much brighter than before. So overall, I would recommend it. I'm gonna see what it looks like during night times, and then I'll keep you guys updated to see how long these bulbs last. If I make another video within a few months, that means these bulbs didn't last very long. So these bulbs were like $199 on Amazon. On their site was the same price as well. But yeah, that's it. Overall, I think the install took us less than 10-15 minutes. I guess we were lucky because my girlfriend was able to help me with her small hands. If you have bigger hands, you might want to find someone to help you out because it is a really small space. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys this time. Maybe more mods incoming. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video helps you guys decide which Angel Eyes to get. It is a little bit steep, but I would say it's worth it if you can pay a little bit more, last longer, have a brighter, look better. Please like and subscribe my videos, and until next time, thanks for watching guys. Peace.